Which Ayutthaya boat tour program is right for you? Here's a simple way to decide. With our easy-to-remember 1-2-3 formula. 1. One boat, one group. Every tour is private, just you and your group. 2. Two boat sizes. Size S fits 1 to 8 people. Size M is perfect for 10 to 15. 3. 3 fun activities to choose from. Cruise around Ayutthaya Island. See elephants bathing by the river. Explore riverside temples at your own pace. Choose one, combine 2, or enjoy all 3. You can even handpick your temple from a list of over 10. Still not sure which program is right for you? Just message us and let us know what kind of trip you're looking for, which temples you'd like to visit, what day you'd like to go, and how many people are joining. We're a booking agency for Ayutthaya boat tours, here to help you design the perfect program, match you with the right boat and activities, and guide you to the most beautiful riverside temples. We'll take care of everything. You just show up and enjoy the ride. Chillpainai, your friendly Thai travel agency.